Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Three Roses, a delightful match-3 puzzle game. This game presents you with a vibrant grid, or flower bed, filled with many different colored rose icons. Your primary objective is to strategically clear these roses from the board by creating specific matches. It's a simple concept that offers hours of engaging play. The core mechanic of Three Roses is quite straightforward. You'll swap any two roses that are next to each other, either horizontally or vertically. The key is to create a row of 3, 4, or even 5 identical roses. Once a match is formed, those roses vanish from the board, and new ones will fall into place. Remember, only horizontal or vertical lines count. Diagonal matches do not work here. Beyond just matching roses, each level in Three Roses presents a unique objective. Your main goal is to reveal a hidden background image that lies beneath the flower bed. To achieve this, you must clear at least one rose from every single cell on the grid. Pay close attention to the clock, as you have a strict time limit of 5 minutes to complete each level, or you will need to restart. To excel at Three Roses, consider some strategic approaches. Always look for chances to create matches of 4 or 5 roses, as these often yield more points and can trigger cascades. Focus your efforts on clearing roses from the cells that are still obscuring the background image. Planning a few moves ahead will help you make the most efficient matches and clear the board quickly, ensuring you beat the 5-minute timer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.